Hey, it's Jack here. We're at Cathedral Gorge, Nevada State Park. We're going to go up the road here and check it out. We'll start our journey here at the Visitor Center. They have some information billboards out. Talk about the various state parks here in Nevada as we walk up. Go inside the Visitor Center. As we come into the Visitor Center, we have this tree of antlers here. Over here, this is information about various state parks here in Nevada. And across the top here, we have taxidermy of various animals you'll find out here. Though sadly, the gift shop is closed. And it says fee stations are located throughout the park. I do have an annual pass, so don't need to worry about that with the state parks. And if you're wondering where Area 51 is, they do have the state map here, and they blocked out Area 51 there on the map. Well, as I came out of the Visitor Center, I want to make note they do have an area where you can fill up your water bottle. Just press and hold the button. It does say for 5 seconds there to fill up your water bottle. I want to make note, when you come out here, you're going to want to put your water bottle on the edge and not in the middle like I did, because the water will go on the ground. Up here on the edge, water will drop straight into the bottle. This brings us to our first stop. If you haven't already paid your fee, you do so here. Drop it in that slot. Here's the area behind the fee station. Go out here and we can wander around. You can see you follow this straight up if we want to. Let's go ahead and see what's up here. Looking at this ground here, mostly clay. It would definitely get slick if it was raining. We see that this area takes us back this way. Let's take a look, see what we get. Watching our step. This takes us to a dead end. And just stepping down from right here to where I am, that's a distance of maybe about 5 to 6 feet. Temperature dropped about 10 degrees in just that short time. Come back up here. Look down in here. Yeah, we're not going to go crawling down there. We can't. It's a little bit too small, but there's a cave here. Well, I walked out of that crevice area. Came across this alluvial fan here. Looks like this takes us back up into another cave area. Walk up here, see what we see. So we came straight up here, kind of zigzagged our way to where we are right now. And we got this cave back in here to explore. And we can see where the moisture is dropping back down here. This is a dead end, obviously, but the formation here on the mud is really cool. You come out here, there's plenty to explore. There's plenty of areas to explore. So what I'm going to do is go on to the next area, give it a look-see. Well, as we leave the paved highway, driving up here, it is a gravel road. And it's kind of washboard in some areas like we are right now. So just maintain your speed and head to the next stop. Well, we come across the water tower. Come across this sign, it tells about the water tower. You can read all about it right there. The tower was constructed by the Civilian Conservation Corps during the mid-1930s as part of a water system for the park. Water was pumped into the top section of the tower. From there, it flowed by gravity through a pipeline to the picnic area. Because of the high alkali content of the water, the well was capped and the system was abandoned. And let's go ahead and look inside. They do have it barred off where you can't go inside, but you can look inside. And if we look straight up, we can see what the top looks like. Over here we have one of the hiking trails. It's called the Nature Loop. And Nature Loop takes you straight out that way to the campground that's straight in front of us there. So if you're camping over there, you can walk up the nature trail, come over here and check out the water tower for yourself. We stopped off. This is a picnic area. They do have a restroom here, which is just a toilet that's a hole in the ground. You can see some folks over here enjoying their afternoon lunch. And you can see here, this is called the Cathedral Slots. That's right next to the picnic area. And you got these pathways people walk up into. The side of the picnic area is what they call Juniper Draw. It's a 4-mile loop that takes you to Miller Point Overlook. However, because of the time of year, Miller Point Trail and Miller Point are closed until June 30th, and this was filmed here early May of 2025. We won't be able to do this trail today, but I do see a building over here that looks like it was probably built in the same time, 1930s, by the Civilian Conservation Corps. We'll go over here, take a look. Looking at it from the backside, it looks like this is probably one of the original restrooms. Oh yeah, it definitely was one of the restrooms back in the day. Come in here. Hello, hello. Here we can see the outhouse type setup here. Walked over here to the other side. Hello, hello. I do like how they set up the roof construction. Like a thatch type roof with the sticks go across the top. It's sad to say it's absolutely beautiful country out here. Well, as we leave the picnic grounds, we pass back by the water tower, go up here for a little bit, make a right turn. It'll take us to the campground area. Well, we approached our right turn, make the right turn here, and this takes us to the campground. Well, here as we approach the camping area, you see there's people set up. The speed limit's 10 miles an hour. And this is a big loop that'll take you through. We'll just drive through here to show it to you all. 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. Generators are not allowed, and they want you to keep quiet. There is an overnight fee. I'll leave a link down below so you can check out the fees for yourself. Oh, here's another loop. There's a one-way loop. It's gravel, so drive slow to keep the dust down. It looks like one of the park rangers lives off to the left there. The camping spots do have hookups, and each one comes with a covered picnic area as well as a fire pit. That brings us back out here to the main road. Well, I hope you enjoyed this walk around tour at Cathedral Gorge State Park here in Nevada. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and we'll catch you on the next one.